Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do these bomb pop nails for the 4th of July. I did these nails as part of the summer magazine collaboration that 25 Sweet Peas organized, so if you want to check that out, I'll have the link to the magazine in the description. There are a bunch of other manicures and fun summer activities that a ton of other artists put in there, so please make sure to check it out. So I'm starting off with a base coat and then painting all of my nails white. The first thing that came to my mind when I thought of a 4th of July treat was a bomb pop or a firecracker, rocket pop, whatever you call it. So that's why I decided to do my nails inspired by that for my part of the magazine collaboration. And then once I've painted my nails white, I'm painting a layer of top coat on all my nails to make sure that they're completely dry before I do my gradient over them. Then I'm taking this Mess No More liquid latex, which is just going to help with cleanup after, and I'm painting it all around my nail. Then I'm going to let that dry until it's a darker pink, and next I'm going to take a makeup sponge and do a stripe of red, white, and blue across the sponge. Then once you have the polish on the sponge, you just want to roll the sponge onto your nail and then dab it up and down to blend the colors together. Through a little bit of trial and error here, I learned that it helps to make the stripe of white a little bit thicker since the other two colors will blend into the white so much. And basically just keep repeating this process, reapplying the polish to the sponge until you're happy with how the gradient looks. Then when I'm done, I'm taking my tweezers and peeling off the liquid latex. As you can see, there's still a little bit of cleanup left, but the latex really helps. Now I'm just taking this small angled brush dipped in nail polish remover to finish any of the cleanup that I missed. And I'm applying a layer of top coat on all of my nails to smooth out and finish the gradient. Then, since I wanted to incorporate stars and stripes into this mani, I'm taking these star nail vinyls from Snail Vinyls, and I'm going to be using that as an accent on my ring finger. So once this nail is completely dry, I'm placing the vinyl down on my nail securely. And then I'm taking a small piece of a sponge and a holographic silver glitter and sponging that glitter right over the top of the vinyl. This is Starly Ultima, if anyone is interested in what polish this is. And then before the glitter is dry, I'm peeling off the vinyl using tweezers. And of course, applying a layer of top coat just to smooth that out. And that's the finished design. I really hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more pictures and information about this mani, then click here or click the link in the description to read more on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what design you want to see next.